This is the online video of the Keyence like curtain software on my little test station that I have. This is essentially powered by 24-volt DC, and it's on my desk that I use to test stuff with. So here is the little test lab that I have put together. And so here's the three light curtains. You can tell they're currently on as they're green. And so watch what happens when I stick my hand in them. See, they go red. So that would, anything between the beams here goes in the beam, so when it breaks that beam, and it would do the same for, say, here is another unit that is showing red. So this unit is not being aligned correctly. That's why it's got red. See, depends on how it's configured. See, so that is physically the units that we're dealing with. Since I'm online, see, I'm going to say download a configuration file from the unit. So I am plugged into that unit by a USB. So it's telling me that it's downloading. And so what it downloads with is this USB unit that is plugged in. You have to purchase along with the cable, and from that it physically allows you to go online and configure the unit. So the unit configuration is all three units, and it goes through the connections. Muting, it shows over here your muting, blanking. So blanking is when you say don't look at anything in these areas here, and if I want to see what's going on, you can see how much power the units are. And so if I stick my hand in, you can see that's where my hand is. So I'm going to stick one finger in, and one finger there is no muting, and the reduced direction here is it's multi-zone mode, so it's going to ignore multiple zones that add up to however the size I've said. And notice notice I've said 27 millimeters or 1.063 or 4 axes. But I also have unchecked the main unit, which says simply anything that gets in there, even one unit, it's going to shut off the safety relay. So the reduced reduction is only on this unit and this unit. These two are longer or larger, as you can see, than my others. So these are called the 23s. These are the 31s, which means there's 31 LEDs. So notice if I put one finger in, it turns red. If I do the same thing here, it doesn't turn red because I can do, it has a reduced reduction. So if I put multiple fingers in, I can get my relay to open or close. So that is your safety relay. Also, we can go to monitoring the online. It's going to communicate with it, and where the blank cells are here, you can see the OSD or the relay is currently off because of the alignment issue with these cells right here. See, when I block, see how it turned back on? Now when I've blocked it, if I let any, where the pink is, see the pink? So even if it's blocked, if it sees light when it ain't supposed to, it'll fault. Or if I get enough, other units on that 1 inch, and so that's how that then is tied into our PLC, which shuts down the rest of the machinery or resets it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.